Hello my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to make some biscuits from scratch. But these ain't no ordinary biscuits. How does honey butter biscuit sound? That's right my friends. Today's recipe we're going to make some homemade honey butter biscuits. And these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so light, tender, and it's going to be bursting with honey butter goodness. And once you taste these biscuits, you will go back for seconds. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. So roll up your sleeves and grab your apron, sugar, because we're about to bake some honey butter biscuit magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, and we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and whisk all the dry ingredients together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in our fats. I'm using a 1/4 of a cup, which is 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's shredded, and a 1/4 of a cup of butter flavored shortening. And it's nice and cold. And we're going to cut the butter and shortening in until coarse crumbs. Alright my friends, the butter and shortening is nice and crumbled up, see? Alright, that looks great. Next we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of honey. And this ain't Ellen's Southern Kitchen without some evaporated milk. Oh yes, I'm using 1 cup of cold evaporated milk. We're going to stir all this together until it's nice and moist. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my dough, and now I'll put it on the flour surface and we're going to knead it a few times. Alright my friends, this is what our dough looks like. That looks great. And I put it on the flour surface, and be careful not to over knead your dough. If your dough is a little warm, you can always stick it back in the refrigerator. Alright, so now we're going to flip them a few times to give us layered biscuits. Alright my friends, I'm through flipping my dough. So now using my glass, or you can use a biscuit cutter, we're just going to cut our biscuits real gently. You don't want to turn them. Like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up my biscuits and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through cutting all my biscuits, and I'm just making 7 biscuits. And you can make them how many as you want and any size that you prefer. So now we're going to brush them with some honey butter right here. After all, they're called honey butter biscuits. I use 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/2 tablespoon of honey. I'm just going to brush them right on top of the biscuits. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish brushing my biscuits and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through brushing all my biscuits, and then we're going to use the rest of the honey butter later when they come out of the oven. And also I'm going to bake them in a long cookie sheet lined with foil for easy cleanup, or you can use parchment paper. So now we're ready to put these biscuits in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 450-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. My friends, look at my beautiful honey butter biscuits, and the smell is incredible in this kitchen. I love the smell of hot biscuits straight out of the oven. Alright, so now we're going to take the rest of our honey butter. We're going to brush them all over these biscuits. Ooh, Lord have mercy, this looks good. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish brushing the rest of my biscuits and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern honey butter biscuits. Ooh wee, they look so delicious. Alright, I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, here we go. I want to show y'all the inside too. Ooh, look at that. Look at that steam. See how nice and fluffy these biscuits are? Alright, here we go. I'm in heaven. These are so amazing, my friends. And also, Mother's Day coming up. When you're having the Mother's Day brunch, please serve these honey butter biscuits. Everybody will enjoy this. Also great for breakfast or for a snack. Honey Butterlicious. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat.